I'm going to walk you through Lodge's simple, foolproof method for re-seasoning your cast iron skillet. Step 1, wash and dry. We're going to start by scrubbing the pan with warm water and a small amount of mild soap. Don't be afraid of soap here. You're resetting the surface. Dry it completely with a towel or paper towels. When I'm in the restaurant industry, I learned that paper towels carry less germs. If you're just reusing a towel, it's constantly holding germs, so I prefer paper towels. Place it on a warm burner for a minute to make sure that all the moisture is gone. Step 2, we're going to oil it. Lodge recommends using a thin layer of cooking oil or shortening. Many people use vegetable oil, canola oil. I like Crisco all vegetable shortening because it spreads easily, but the key is to keep it light. Too much oil will turn sticky. Rub it all over the pan, inside and out, including the handle, then wipe away the excess with a clean cloth or paper towel until it looks almost dry. I'm gonna let you know right now though, a lot of people will stop the seasoning efforts right here. They'll turn on the burner for a few minutes, turn it off, re-oil the inside of the pan, and then just let it sit on the stovetop. Now, frankly, that method does work for me, but again, I'm giving you the manufacturer's instructions. Now, step 3 is you're gonna bake it. Place the skillet upside down in the oven at 450 to 500 degrees. Bake it for an hour. They recommend a sheet of aluminum foil on the rack below to catch any drips, but there should not be any drips because it's a thin layer of the oil. Finally, turn the oven off, let the skillet cool completely inside. And that's it, you've just restored your pan seasoning. Re-seasoning not only improves performance, but it also extends the life of your skillet with proper care. Now tell me that bacon doesn't look fantastic. So I hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns and have a great day.